Hi guys, this is Kwak, and today I prepared GRE Quantitative 20th question. The specific category is data interpretation that we didn't encounter before. So it's going to be really crucial time for you guys. Before solving the specific data interpretation question, why don't we talk about the cautions and the types and other details of data interpretation sets. Uh, so there are mainly three important factors about data interpretation. First of all, as you can see this sentence, we are going to encounter diverse graphs such as circle or bar graph or other types of graphs that can show specific data, such as we encountered before, they can show the profit of the car in 2017 and 2018 and 2019 and 2020, and then they can ask us the percent of profit or the percent of the loss about a specific car, such as a small car or the large car. And second, what we need to do at first is to scan the data briefly instead of studying the detailed informations 100%. So at first, we don't have to spend time studying all of the detailed information. Third, important thing is we need to answer primarily from the data or only from the data instead of from our imagination. So that could be very important. And then fourth, I want to emphasize again about analysis. And then after that, making our own formulation. And after that, what we can do is accurate calculation. So technically, the category is just written data interpretation sets differently, but I want to say to you guys that it's the same, like like a comparison or multiple choice to get the one single answer or more than two answers, or like a numeric entry questions. So even though the name is different, I think the approach of getting solution could be the same. This question is one of the data interpretation sets, and today I will give you 5 minutes, and then please pause the video and analyze, and please get the solution on a sheet of paper instead of thinking or just watching the video. Let's get it, guys. Then let's analyze the table and read a question again slowly together and circle important factors. Annual percent change in dollar amount of sales at 5 retail stores from 2016 to 2018. Story is here. This is just a type, and then percent change from 2016 to 17 is the left side, the left column, and the right column is the percent change from 17 to 2018. If the dollar amount of sales at store P, they are asking about a specific store, about a P. So in this situation, we don't have to worry about store Q to T. Was $800,000 for 2016. What was the dollar amount of sales at that store for 2018? So first of all, removed those part, and then we just can think about the first row. but we have to consider both two columns because they are asking, the amount of from 2016 to 2018. About the store P also, we should consider it, the table shows percent. So this one is not just a number 10. They're showing 10%, plus 10%, and minus 10%. 2017, 2018. So why don't we assume the profit of 2016 was just A. In that case, the profit of 2017 could be $1.1A. Is it correct? Yes. And then what about 2018? In that case, I'm going to write down here 1.1A minus 1.A multiplied by 10%. In that case, 1.A minus 1.11A. I'm sorry, there was a little bit typo. So compared to 2016 in 2018 year, the change of percent could be like this way: 1.1A minus 1.1A multiplied by 10%, because the profit of 2017 was 1.1A. So we can, specify the profit of 2018 as 0.99A compared to 2016, not compared to 2017, guys. It's kind of complicated, but from 2016 to 2018, we have to think about the change. So in this situation, A could be $800,000, and then there is 0.99 like this way. So in that case, we can just do calculation. 792 multiplied by 100, because there are 100. So in other word, I'm sorry, there is another 0. So it should be dollar and then $792,000. So the answer could be B, as of Boston. So guys, today the class was very important because we talked about what the data interpretation set was, even though we already encountered diverse similar questions. So data interpretation was about to analyze from the diverse data and then making our own formulation and then get the specific solution. That was it. And then we could solve one of the questions today, and next time from the same table we will encounter the different question. It's going to be really beneficial for you guys. Should you have any questions, let me know anytime, and please click the subscription and like button and alarm button either, because it's going to be really, really helpful for me to make the next movie as an intrinsic motivation. So thank you very much, guys, and see you next time. Bye bye.